The first step is to open Canva, and click Templates. Click Video. Scroll down, and choose the video template you want to use. In this example, click Video 16:9. You can see that, at the time this tutorial was created, this template group has 12,115 templates from which to choose. Click on the template you want to use. The templates will give you information about whether they are customizable and shareable. It will also show the rest of the template images available. If this is the template you want to use, click Customize this template. Since the template we chose is customizable, we can use the design tools on the left to edit this template. That's it, you're done.